Hi besties, today let's make Nigerian crunchy chin-chin together. Now get your ingredients ready and let's do this together. I'll be dropping all the ingredients I use in the description link below, so do well to go through. Now if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell button and subscribe for more amazing food recipes. Now in an empty bowl we want to sieve our flour. Measure out your flour and begin to sieve it. So we're done with that. I added my nutmeg, my baking powder, my milk, powdered milk. You can use liquid milk if you want, and that's my sugar. So add your butter to the dry ingredients, and you want to mix this in until you have something like a breadcrumb. So at this point I was mixing it. You can also use your mixer to do this, if you're especially if you're doing like making a large quantity, your mixer will be a good option. Create a hole at the center of your dry ingredients. Now here we want to mix your egg and add it to the dry ingredients. Then we'll be adding a little water. Please be careful. This point I regretted adding so much water, so just be careful, because chin chin is not going to need much water. If you make it too light, it's going to soak in a lot of oil, and if it's too dry, it's going to be too grapesy. I was done mixing it and I took it to my board and I tried knead the dough together. Just knead it, make sure the ingredients are able to mingle together, and when I was done, put this back into the bowl. I used my plastic wrap and covered this for 15 minutes. So as this was resting, I covered this for 15 minutes and I added my vegetable oil to the pot. After adding this, allow it to heat up. Add a little onion for flavor. You can skip this part if you're not comfortable with this. Now transfer your dough to a board. Get your rolling pin and let's get to work. You just want it to be flat, but not too flat. Just roll it to about ½ inch. I was actually cutting mine to bigger sizes, but please, the sizes you cut your chin chin is totally up to you. So just cut it any shape you want. You can use your knife if you don't have the pizza cutter. I was just cutting this, recklessly, but please, if you want a perfect cut, just take your time to cut this. I was in a hurry and I was making this, so transfer this to a flat tray or plate and you're going to fry this. It's not going to take your time, guys. Chin chin is not hard. So I added a little part. I knew my oil was hot. Make sure the oil is not too hot. Keep turning from time to time because you don't want it to fry one end. So just keep turning from time to time. You can't leave chin chin on fire when you're making it. You just have to be close to it. That's one thing with chin chin. You have to be there for it. I just kept stirring from time to time, and I noticed one part is fried. I started to have it. You want to remove your chin chin just before it gets to the color which you want, because when you're done frying your chin chin, the chin chin is going to get darker. So your chin chin is definitely going to get darker, so be careful. want to leave it on fire to the color you desire. At this point, I was okay with this color because I wanted it a bit dark, So if you want it to be light, you have to remove it before this point. So transfer it to a flat plate or a tray. First put your paper towel just to drain the oil. Allow this to cool off, and then your delicious chin-chin is ready. This chin-chin will keep you coming back for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more